Guys,
Hello guys.
this is Iron Cloud here.
I didn't leave.
What?
You should change yours soon.
I change mine every spring and summer and fall. And so this is September. I think I'll change it sometime to silver snow. All right, so like we promised, we promised Sunday today we make a fall forecast, and here it is. So we worked kind of hard on the slideshow. So preliminary fall forecast 2025. This can be a forecast. Please note this is just our prediction. So you guys may and probably do have other opinions. So just if you have other opinions, okay. Just if you want to comment on this video or other descriptions, sure. Alright, so first of all, we're going to start off with a weak La Nina pattern. Yeah, so, as you can see, up by Alaska there is a variable polar jet stream, which is, and then you see down there is a high pressure system blocking. This is a blocking high pressure, so this polar jet stream will come into the United States, bringing colder air from Alaska, stretching on all the way to Minnesota. It has been some wetter conditions to the Pacific Northwest, possibly into the Ohio Valley. Dry conditions are expected this fall over the southwest, going to the south and to the southeast, and warmer conditions are expected going from the south to the southeast, going into the east coast and possibly even the northeast region. First up, let's start with the Farmer's Almanac here. We're in the Farmer's Almanac here. As you can see, they predict
What is that?
and this is their website, so it's not bad. Yeah, so I'm not having all of this, but I'll give you guys some time to look at this. Alright, I'm gonna scroll very soon. If you want to feel free to pause the video if you want to take a better look at this. First, let's see what the regions of this fall would look like. First up is the Northeast. The Northeast, it says expect cooler and drier conditions than usual. September brings an average temperature of 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees below normal, with 3.5 inches of precipitation. Wet in the north, drier in the south. October will average 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees below normal, with just 2.5 inches of rain. Look for scattered showers, brief warm spells, and overall chilly weather. The Atlantic Corridor. September and October will be cooler than normal in the north and warmer in the south, with below average rainfall overall. September, average temp 70.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Average north 3 degrees above south. 3 inches of rain. Alright, this is confusing. 1 inch below normal. Expect warmer weather early. Some thunderstorms. Then scattered showers and cooling late month. October. Average temperature 55 degrees Fahrenheit. 4 inches of rain. That's near average. And cooler overall with scattered showers, brief warms mid-month, and heavy rain followed by a cool finish. Now, I always have trouble pronouncing this. Appalachians, I think. So for the Appalachians, so September and October will be cooler and drier than normal overall. September will bring an average of 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 inches of rain. Expect sunny, warm days early, followed by thunderstorms mid-month, then cooler with regional variations late. October will average with a temperature on 53 degrees Fahrenheit with 2.5 inches of rain. Cool with scattered showers early to mid-month then dry and warming close to close the month. For the southeast, September and October will be warmer than normal, with below average rainfall. September the temperature will average to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, with 4 inches of rain. Expect mostly warm, stormy conditions with a cooler finish. October will have a temperature average to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.5 inches of rain, sunny and warm early with late showers mid-month and a cooler end. For Florida, the fall will be warmer and drier than normal. So September will average around 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.5 inches of rain.
I'm sorry, but where is my adapter? Bag. Oh, it's right there.
Okay,
Sorry, guys.
expect
I'm
warm.
working on something for the channel.
Expect warm weather with scattered thunderstorms early and mid-month, then cooler with regional showers late. October will have a temperature average near around 76 degrees, 2.5 inches of rain, with mostly sunny and a few scattered showers and a cooler finish. For the lower lakes, this fall will be cooler and drier than normal overall. September will average around 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 2.5 inches of rain, expect a mix of showers and sun with periods of warmth early and mid-month, then cooling late. October will have average temp around 51 degrees Fahrenheit, with 2 inches of rain. Sky showers early and mid-month, followed by sunny, cool days and a mild end to the month. For the Ohio Valley, September and October will be cooler and drier than normal across the region. September will have a temperature that averages around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 inches of rain. Expect warm periods with scattered showers early and mid-month, then turning cooler. October has a temperature that will average around 56 degrees Fahrenheit, with 2 inches of rain. A mix of showers and sunshine with shifting temps, warm early, cooling mid-month, then slightly warmer to end. For the Deep South, September and October will be warmer than usual than normal, with below average rainfall in the north and near normal amounts in the south. September will average around 79 degrees Fahrenheit with 3.5 inches of rain, hot and sunny early, followed by scattered thunderstorms in mid-month, then cooler with sunshine to end. October will have a temperature that averages around 65 degrees Fahrenheit with 2.5 inches of rain, warm and sunny early and late in the month with some storms and showers mid-month. Upper Midwest, September and October will be cooler and drier than normal overall. September will have a temperature that averages around 57 degrees Fahrenheit, 3.5 inches of rain. Expect frequent rain and drizzle and some early snow in the north, with brief warm-ups late in the month. October will average 45 degrees Fahrenheit, with 1.5 inches of rain and a mix of chilly rain and snow, especially in the north, with a few sunny, warmer days mid to late month. For the Heartland, fall begin warmer than usual in September and then trend closer to normal in October. Precipitation will be average overall. So the September average 69 degrees Fahrenheit with 1.5 inches of rain. Expect mostly sunny days with brief cool spells and late storms mid-month. October will average around 57 degrees Fahrenheit with 3 inches of rain. Warm early and mid-month with some storms and 50 inches cold. Followed by late warm-up. I'm gonna see how much more I have here, guys. Okay, it's froze. Oh my god. Okay, guys. This is kind of a lot more. So here, I'm just gonna tell you where. Yeah, I see. To tell you where I found this. This is almanac.com. Just for the reasons why, so we can get to like other forecasts. Well, it's gonna cut the almanac one short. If you want to, just search up fall 2025, Farmers Almanac. It's on almanac.com. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So we have to head back to the slideshow. All right, hopefully we can get this to load. It's been kind of slow now. I've never did a presentation like this before. He showed me. All right, for the temperatures, we're looking at really the whole entire United States having above average temperatures. Even in Alaska, we're looking at above average temperatures. The only one that just in the it's like the Dakotas, Minnesota. That's when we start to get equal chances. For precipitation, we're looking at well below precipitation for fall, mainly just in the Pacific Northwest, Alaska, and the Southeast. Equal chances pretty much in the whole entire United States, with below average precipitation in the southwestern region. That's accurate, this prediction. Take a look at this one, pretty good. Alright, so now, first thing, let's see what the prediction is. It's transition to fall 2025. We're looking at new average for really almost the whole entire United States. But for the West, we're looking at the West and the East, the West Coast and the East Coast, and the Northeast. We're looking at a slower transition to fall.
Sorry, guys.
For the Great Lakes and Upper Midwest, we're looking at a faster transition to fall. I know, yeah. So that's where you can see like the leaves starting to change a bit faster. For the severe weather risk, we actually do have a way better chance of severe weather. As you can see, even parts of the north, we still have that some potential severe weather, and then mostly the biggest chance is pretty much from Chicago all the way down to New Orleans. That's really the best chance for you can see some severe weather in the fall. For the fire risk, we are looking at a pretty high fire risk, especially for the West Coast, with a very high fire risk. Pretty much the whole United States has a fire risk, especially in the moderate. The low would be nothing, so yeah. First possible measurable snow, we are looking at a late October, late September possibly for the Pacific Northwest. For the West here, we're looking at late September, or late October here. Here we're looking at late November to early December. For the Northeast, same thing, late November to early December, or even late October to early November. Okay, well, alright, that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day, guys.
Yep.